This is ORCAN heavy duty machine vise with 6-inch jaw width and dovetail guide face. This is suitable for heavy duty machining on the milling machine as well as on the vertical machining center. With jaw height of about 3 inches, overall height about 5 inches, and the jaw width of 6 inches. It comes with a omnidirectional handle, which is universal handle for easy operation of the vise. The jaw opening between the jaw is 190 mm. And this has been proven in the industry for against heavy loads and all kind of machinings. On the sides we have a grooves to hold the vise onto the machine bed. User operation is through the universal handle, which is mounted on the hex nut to have easy possible tightening torque. All this from ORCAN, trusted since 1978 for all the product durability, reliability and ease of use.